What's going on, everybody? I have some retail action today. It is 2018 Panini football. Went to Target last night and picked this up along with a couple of repacks. You can see the repack videos. Well, I don't know. I shouldn't say that. I don't always post these videos in the order I open this stuff. Just whatever strikes me each day. And I open so much stuff that I try to only post one video a day so I don't bombard you guys with box opening after box opening after box opening. So sometimes things end up getting posted at different times. So anyways, I'll shut up about that. There's one autograph. I've seen just a couple of people open this. There's one pack, 20 cards in that pack, and one autograph in that pack. I've seen some nice parallels. People are kind of digging Panini retail this year, more so than I've noticed in past years. 2016 did okay because of the key rookies that were in there. It seems like people just kind of glossed over when 2017 came out, but 18, they made these matte material rookies, not matte, textured, I should say, and they're really cool. I've opened a couple of blasters and I put those rookies on eBay and they sold like right away. I'm not even sure I've got any left. So I may think about picking up a blaster case of this stuff. I opened a blaster case of 16 and 17. Yeah, 17 just, I mean, it's okay, but it didn't really wow me. 16 I thought was really good. But anyways, let me shut up and open this. Good grief. I could talk all day. I hadn't had caffeine in a while because I've been having a couple of health issues, so I laid off of it. And then today I decided I'd have myself a cup of coffee, so now I'm like got diarrhea mouth, talking 90 to nothing. Alright, so there it is, all this packaging for one lone little pack in there. And there is the 10 free digital packs. Let me see if I can find, oh, there's the code right there on the front. Alright. The stock on this is pretty thin, which it kind of always is with the less expensive products. Kind of reminds you of, I don't want to say collector's choice because that was pretty bad, but I don't know, maybe like Score. Actually Score I think is even thicker than this. Roby, Vernon, Hilton, Lynch, Sanu, Enunwa, Williams, Deshaun Jackson, Reddick, and here is a Sanu parallel to 50. I don't know what they call it. I guess silver. It says Panini at the top. Not sure if you can see that. And a DeAndre Hopkins to 50 as well. That's not bad. Lightspeed JJ Nelson to 20. Looks to be, I guess, gold. Let's see, this is gold. Nice super short print there. We have Pillars of Excellence, Mike Evans, Amari Cooper, Lightspeed, and the rookies are Simi Cobbs Jr., Kerryon Johnson, Jerome Baker, and Joshua Jackson. And the autograph is also a textured. It is Chase Litton to 99. I have no idea who Chase Litton is, but it's a good looking card. So this is definitely one of those fast breaks I'm not, too fond of, but this box doesn't cost a lot, so it kind of is what it is. I don't know. Panini's kind of cool. I'm going to check into the blaster cases. I may bust one of those and show you what all I got out of there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. I'll be next with my next video. Good grief, talking like a lunatic. I'll be back with my next video soon.